Hey, in this video I'm going to show you where you can get an offer and how you can literally find an offer online for your value series. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on the next videos that I do for the value series and ongoing value that I will be giving to you. So we are on the A to Z on affiliate marketing, the works, and today we're going to cover the offer. Now let me hop here into my computer. First of all, you can find offers in many places online. First of all, I'm just going to share with you an offer that I promote, and I think is a very good offer because I've made most of my money promoting this one single product. So that's why I want to go ahead and recommend it to you, which is Builderall. Now I'm here on their website, which is affiliates.builderall.com, and here I can you can literally see their affiliate program, which is really good, and they have a tier up to tier 3. You get amazing commissions, 100% on your first month, and then commissions every month, 20 bucks commission, then retention bonus. You get car bonuses. You have level multi bonuses. And the good thing about this, promoting this product, Builderall, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. And so it's something that people really need this tool to make a website, to build a funnel, to have automations, to have things related to marketing that they need to promote online. They need to have their website, they need to have the funnel, and all these things, their email, professional email, and everything. And what Builderall does is does that. So it's like a no-brainer. It's something that people really need. So it's a very good tool to promote because it's something that people need. You know, you want to serve people, you want to give something to people that people are looking for, something that solves a problem. And so Builderall it does that very beautifully. So that's why I really recommend this product to promote this product. It is really amazing. I really recommend it. So that's out of the way. That's my first recommendation. I do right there. Boom. Now you can find offers in many places. I'm just gonna name a few. You can find offers on Max Bounty, which is a network where there's so many offers. You can go maxbounty.com. There's shareasale.com. It's an amazing platform where you can find offers too. You have JV Zoom. You have very famous ClickBank, and so offers, you can find them everywhere. Like nowadays, most companies online have an affiliate program. So offers, they're all over the place, especially so I've did a video showing you how you pick an offer on ClickBank. There's many offers you can pick there. I'm gonna go ahead and add this video to this video, and so I show you how you find an offer so you can promote with the value series. And then the thing with the value series is I recommend you go ahead and buy what you promote, what you're gonna put. For instance, if you buy Builderall you buy Builderall to use and you're gonna promote it, I really recommend you go ahead and buy it because you're gonna learn. They have training and stuff inside. You're gonna learn that, and then you can teach that on your value series. You see, your value series pretty much is value. You're teaching what Builderall has taught you. They have trainings. They have the tools, so you can teach them how to use the tool, right? And on your value series, and then because they're gonna want to also do that, they need the tool, which is Builderall. They buy the tool, and you get a recurring commission every month. You get a recurring commission, and it's very good because that person, if that person decides to promote Builderall as well, you would also get a commission from them, and you know, so it adds up, literally adds up. I'm making good amount of passive income right now just from this recurring commissions that I get from people that I've already gotten to my Builderall. So as you can see, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play this video.
So here we go. Here we are at ClickBank. So ClickBank is just one of many places you can find an offer. It's a big network and it has paid millions and millions of dollars to marketers that use this platform. And here you can find offers, and as you can see here, they have a few offers here on the front, right? As you can see, smoothie calm, natural bioavailable magnesium. So here you can see on the left we have categories, and we have all kinds of categories. We have business and investing, e-business and e-marketing. That's the one I'm in. You have food, right? You have health and fitness, very powerful one because everyone wants to get fit, right? Sports, travel, all of them. And by the way, this is the e-business, e-marketing, the one I use, the make money online niche. It's a very trending niche as everybody wants to earn, wants to make money, right? Who doesn't want to have the freedom to just work from home, right? So the first thing you want to do is here on the top, as you can see, you can create an account. I'm not going to show you how to do it here, but where you want to go is you want to click here, and then it's like creating an account with an email. You put in your name, your address, and all the stuff that they ask you. It's pretty straightforward. So once you do that and you log in, let me log in here. And here on the marketplace is actually here on the top, it tells you how to find a product to promote. It tells you here what to do. So here we go at the category. So let's go to e-business and e-marketing. The very most important thing you want to look for it when you look here. Let me zoom in so you can see this better. All right. So the first thing you want to look up. So when you search for results here by, you can search by results, and you have popularity, average sell, initial average sell, average rebuild total, average rebuild, and gravity. So gravity, you want to look at gravity because you want to have high gravity, because the gravity it's the overall what people are making sales with, if they are making sales with this product, if people are buying it. Right, so the gravity tells you if this product is trending, if it's selling, and literally if it's good or not. So it's just very important. You want to look at the gravity of a product. So you can search and by gravity here. I like to do that. Right now is by popularity, so I will keep it that way. And as you can see here, so what we want to do, so you want to look at the gravity. You don't want to have less than like 10. Now here we have the stats, the initial sell. That's when you make the sell, how much you make when you first sell, and then we have the average percentage per sell. The average rebuild total is like they have upsells and downsells, or like recurring, which you get paid every month. And you have the gravity, the most important thing. So let's go through some offers here. Let's see how we can look for one so I'm gonna be looking for something that I want to show my lead, something related to making money online. I want to help my customer make money online. That's my goal. So I have to look for an offer that does exactly that. So let's go and see. So we have here the CB University Recurring for Life. So promote CBS, own high optimized offer, earn up to 300 to sell, recurring for life. We've tested 21 transactions. Not bad. Ultra high converting VS and funnels, but not exactly what I want. The average price is 162. That's how much you make the average per sell, right? Normally that's how much it's selling for, right? So that's not something I'm up to. So let's see something else here. Super affiliate system, John Cristani, converts on cold biz traffic, 50% commission. It converts on cold traffic. So what he's saying here is converts on. So actually Johnny Cristani is saying here is that it converts on cold traffic. He's meaning that he wants people to send traffic straight to the offer, and like that's like the recipe for disaster. That's what amateurs do. Do not do this. Do not send traffic straight to the offer, right? So we don't want to do that. See, that's why I want to skip this one right away. Sell whole will sell. Extremely high number of niche keyword. No, that's something I would like to do. Get paid for your option real servery jobs. Get paid for jobs. Lifetime recurring commission. Trial is converting. So it looks like you have to do servery. So what's the point of you wasting time doing this? Might as well just keep your job and do that, right? Doesn't make sense. Not something I want, right? Okay, the CB passive income, that's a bit more interested. 166. Entire affiliate system to make CB commissions on autopilot. Interesting. But I'm looking for another one. This one, Affiliorama, the #1 affiliate marketing training portal. Tips and support allowing complete beginners to build up a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. Boom! This is it. Actually, I know this product. It's a very good product, and this is exactly what I want, right? So, and this is what supports allowing complete beginner to build up a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch, right? So we got the gravity more than 10. That's awesome. So we have the average sale is 105, but we have here the average review total. It's 1,293, right? So that's what you can really make with this. So this is very interesting. So what we do, because I want to help. What I want is I want my leads to learn skills so they can make money online. This is the right stuff, because it's allowing complete beginners to build up a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. So let's click here and see. Alright, so we have learned how to make money online as an affiliate, promote other people's products, and make money for yourself. We show you how. Create your free Affiliorama membership and start today. Very interesting. Let me see. Become a member. It's free. It's actually free to join. And then what you'll get: affiliate marketing quick start guide, 120 video lessons. So that's very good. We created over 120 easy to follow video lessons to show you how to build your money making business block by block. Now this is perfect. This is perfect. It's some testimonials of people. It's working amazing. Advanced affiliate marketing training tools. Here are more stuff. So this seems pretty good. The site is clean. Has their contact number over here. Support, login. So seems pretty cool. And by the way, guys, you always want to go ahead and buy the product that you're gonna promote. I buy all my products that I promote because you want to know if it's good or not. You're not gonna promote something that you don't know if it's good or not. You want to know exactly. You want to go through it and see if it's really good or not, so you can promote it, right? So I always recommend you buy the product, you see it for yourself, you know, you see if it's really good, or you really go through it and you learn from it and you apply it, and then you see if you can see it for yourself if it's good or not. Now we can go back here to ClickBank, and if we go to and we click on promote, all right, so this shows up because I have to add here my nickname. It's already there. And okay, so you can earn okay, so here this is a tracking ID, so you can put here an ID, like let's say you're promoting on solo ads, you just type in here solo ads, or if you're doing Facebook, you're tracking, you just put Facebook. But the thing, you don't want to use this because this is more to send traffic directly to the offer, and you don't want to do that, like we talked about. So here you just put your account name and get the hop links, called the hop links. So boom, your hop link is generated. So what you want to do is you want to go and you want to copy So that's Control copy, Control C, and we want to open this link on a tab and see how it looks. Yeah, so that's exactly the page that we were. So it brings us to the page, but as you can see here, this page, it's not like, it doesn't have a sales video. So that's why it's very important that you have this going on, the value series. So you pre-frame them before they land on this offer. And what you want to do is you talk about stuff that you've learned on this offer, stuff that it teaches inside. You want to teach them on your value series. And by the way, the value series we're gonna talk about tomorrow. So we're gonna go all over that. But just to give an idea that you don't want to send them straight, never. That's why the value series, so you can, so the conversion rate can be higher, like 20% or more, like we talked yesterday. So what we want to do now, so we grab this link right here, and after they go through our value series, at the end of each video, we link an offer, right? That's how it's done.
All right, is that making sense? If yes, please comment hell yeah below this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, give it a thumbs down. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe. If you know somebody that will benefit from this content, please share with them. Will you apply the value series into your marketing? Answer yes or no on top of this video. Alright, below this video I'm also gonna leave all the links, you know, for the Builderall. You have the 7-day free trial so you can test it out, and all the links for the other videos of the value series so you can check it out. Alright, that's it. I will see you tomorrow. As tomorrow, then it's about traffic, how you can get traffic into your value series so you can start making some money. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.